This is, I don't know how to describe it. It is better experience than stopping.
Good morning, Ndi'Oma, and welcome to the channel. Okay, so today is the day of our trip. It's a very tasking thing to travel with a kid or on a family vacation, but this one was like the most chaotic ever. We forgot so many things. We had to go back home, but I don't want to bore you with all of that, and that was why I didn't even do a lot of recording from the beginning, because it was really chaotic. But finally we're on our next stop, which is like the train station to Niagara Falls. Okay, so we found our platform, we found where our train would pick us up, and we're headed towards there. So just come with us and sit tight. It might be a long one, but just come with us, because you know we have a lot of activities that we're gonna add to. So enjoy. We're going to Union. Is this? I just wanted to come and say I ate like an top floor. I'm straight in. But unfortunately, we can sit here because we have a kid and we can't afford to take that through the stairs. So let me just go and get seated and enjoy my trip. Finally, we arrived Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls. I don't know why I'm not pronouncing it well. Our train just arrived, and we should be joining the bus that will take us to the falls in a few minutes. So yeah, here we are on this beautiful adventure to celebrate my third wedding anniversary. You know, Goofy. I don't know if you can see my face. Hi guys, so we just arrived at our hotel and we're about to check in. I'm super tired. I can't wait to relax before hopping on this adventure. Wait, the adventure already started the moment I left my house. Yeah, so let's go in and see how the one lives. So get ready to tour the Niagara City with us. So you want to go grab dinner in the city. So let's go have some Niagara dinner or lunch. I think it's lunch. Then afterward we'll head to the fall. I really look forward to all the beautiful experiences that we're gonna have here before we head back. It looks like Vegas. I've never been to Vegas, but I've seen beautiful pictures of Vegas. You know, a lot of casinos, a lot of eateries and bars and all of you. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So we are in Niagara downtown, in the streets of Niagara. Oh my god, this is so amazing. This is so fun. There's so much people here. A lot of adventurers, a lot of tourists. It's so super fun. Oh my god, I wish you were here. No, I don't wish. Oh my god, no, I don't even know. Okay, I think this is the best wedding gift. This is the best anniversary gifts so far, and I look forward to much more beautiful surprises like this. Thank you. This place looks like Chinatown. It looks like I'm inside a casino. I really cannot imagine how it will be at night. It's really be beautiful. There's a cartwheel over there, but because I have height phobia, I don't do stuff like that. I won't be able to go on it. I have this phobia for heights thing. Nah, not me, nah, thank you, I'll pass. So we're just gonna walk around the city or the town, grab souvenirs, eat, whatever we want to do, please. And later on, maybe tomorrow, we go to the fall or the park.
This year, my name.
So, we're trying to get our ticket to go on the boat cruise. They'll take us into
They compare the price here and the price online.
Can you imagine? My husband is Onishiro. Onishiro. Ogbo Sadiq. So we're trying to get a ticket and so we can go on the cruise. The cruise will give us better view of the fall. Guys, this is the most magnificent big waterfall I've ever seen in my entire life, and there are thousands of people here just to see it. Isoluwa Tobi Loba. The sounds of the water alone. Oh my god, this is now. You don't want to. Don't worry, when we get on the ship, I'll share a better view of it with you. You look nice. Thank you, you do. Because some beautiful ladies just complimented my dress. They said I look nice. And I felt blushed. Oh my god, I'm having the time of my life. So my daughter is sleeping, so she'll be fine. This is my anniversary gift. It's not hers. Oh, some guys are going on, I don't know, that's skydiving or whatever it's called. Zip line. So people are going on zip line, but it's not for me. I don't do daring stuff like that. Oh, no, not me. Amy, go. Maybe that's not where my village people will now wake up. No, so let me just do what I love to do, just do my thing on the bed. I'll see you guys on the boat.
Research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls.
Oh my god, this is so... Oh my god, guys, that was one of the most adventurous fun-filled cruise I've ever had. Like, it was so fun. Everyone on the cruise was guys, God is really wonderful. This is, I don't know how to describe it. It is better experience than spoken because I don't know what to say. So it is fun. So you're getting back on the other side of God. You know what? We saw some cruise from people from the United States and and somebody was having it, but I couldn't record it because my GoPro battery was flat. This is battery better camera to record this test. It's what I resisted. I was watching water resistant, but the screen was just messing up, so I had to stop. But it was fun. So the guys from the US side of the it was really fun. So let's go back there and continue with our adventure.
Okay. No, let's go and play somewhere. I'm going to
Hi guys! So we decided to go to the water park, and my daughter has been the one enjoying this water park thing because she doesn't even want anybody to go in or to just have fun. She likes water a lot and she's just busy having fun. It's been a beautiful adventure so far. I like the city, I like the people, they are very very friendly and chatty, and it's been fun. And I'm wearing this this three-piece from Shein. It's really lovely. I wish you can see it there. I like it. And I've been getting a lot of compliments on it or for it. And my face is bad. Thank God for my skincare is working. I can go makeup free without feeling oh my face is bad and all of that. So I've been having fun in Niagara, honestly. Like I've told my husband a couple of times or several times since we came, this is like one of the best anniversary outing or dinner or whatever thing we do during our anniversary. It's been fun filled since we came, since we arrived, and I've been having so much fun. It's been beautiful. And yeah, so don't go nowhere. I don't know how long this vlog will be, but I'm not going to be selfish. I'm not going to try to. I'm going to try as much as possible to make it not to be too long, but we'll see what we do. It's at the end of the day, so don't go nowhere. Let's go see the city of Niagara at night. It's been a wonderful experience since we arrived in Niagara, and I've been having so much fun. Thanks to my darling husband for giving me this beautiful gift. Okay, let's go and have fun. Oh god. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful view. Look at that. Look at what is happening behind me. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, and it's like the city does not sleep. City does not sleep. Can you see what's happening behind me? Everyone is still very much awake. Everybody is just still walking about. Everybody is practically still awake. It's giving me Lagos vibe. Like, I mean, Lagos city at night. God! Oh, yeah. So before we start our night walk, we're gonna have dinner at a restaurant we checked online. It's called what's the name? Japanese barbecue. That's the name of the restaurant. And we just go there, have dinner, and then afterwards we just walk around the city. The city is it's like people are just waking up. People are just waking up. It's always like this every night, but I just wanted to take today to show you around the city. It's like the old town, you know, old town kind of vibe. It's really beautiful. Everybody is just. Why are you giving me that kind of look? I see why my husband gets me. Look at behind you. Anime. and anime everyone. Okay, so this is actually my first time in this is my first time in a Japanese restaurant, and I look forward to the
I guess we can.
experience.
So this is all you can eat, everything on the menu. You can choose whatever you like, unlimited. It is good for 2 hours.
Okay.
So you're gonna be cooking the meat, seafood, and vegetables, and then everything else is ready to eat.
Okay.
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 So we do the cooking ourselves.
Yes, that's right.
Oh.
On the table right here. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna get you started with 2 water. Do you want to order any drinks?
Yeah, I want to. Oh no, I tried to take this away.
Hey guys, so we decided to go for the 2 hours buffet kind of thing, and you practically have to make some of the food yourself, especially the seafood and the beef, the chicken. I've seen this kind of stuff on vlogs and videos, and this is like the first time I have to do it. I'm experiencing it myself, and I think forward to. So she has turned on the light. So this is like the stove where you have to prepare your food, and you can practically have everything on this menu. So we're gonna make it ourselves. And I really, like I told you, it's gonna be an adventurous night. Let's do it. Let's do this.
So this is your.
my god. Oh my god. It's been more than 1 hour of grilling and roasting and eating. And guys, more to you. I'm so full. And we still have a table full. Like, wait, let me show you. We still have a table full. Like, we're not even exhausted. What we have here. Thank you. And I just got another bottle of mojito. Whoa. Let me know if it's been fun. I like the experience. It's been super fun. So when we're done, we're just gonna stroll a little bit around the town before we go back, and we'll see what the rest of our days looks like. But for now, bye. Bye everyone.
This way. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Bye. He's busy telling everyone bye. Bye.
To you? Yeah.
probably about an hour and a half, something like that.